Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Murillo, and what we're going to be working on today is going to be the objective 4.5a for math, which is to represent multi-step problems involving the four operations with whole numbers using strip diagrams and equations with a letter standing for the unknown quantity. And in order to do this, we're going to be using this word problem. Philip has 15 more toy cars than Alex. Alex receives 3 more cars for his birthday. Philip now has 3 times more cars than Alex. How many cars did Alex have to begin with? Now here we see a whole bunch of words, but let's see if we break it down real quick. Right here we can see that we're making a comparison between Philip and Alex. Also, we could tell that right here it says that Philip has 15 more toy cars than Alex, and then Alex receives 3 more cars for his birthday. And then we also get another comparison when it says Philip now has 3 times more cars than Alex. And then finally the question, how many cars did Alex have to begin with? So now what we're going to be working on is setting up a strip diagram to represent all this information that we had read. Now right here, remember, we're comparing between Philip and Alex. If we go back to our equation, the first comparison that we see is Philip has 15 more toy cars than Alex, so that's what we want to write down. We're going to use P for Philip. Philip has 15 more cars than Alex. Use A for Alex. Let's see what other comparisons that we see. Alex receives 3 more cars for his birthday. So then we're going to use Alex receives 3 more cars. And then finally, Philip now has 3 times more cars than Alex. So here we go again. Philip has 3 times more cars than, I'm just gonna leave it as A for Alex. So now what we want to do is write this down in a strip diagram so we can see the comparisons. One strip diagram here. Split it down the middle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Philip at the bottom and Alex on top. Now based on this, it says that Philip has 15 more cars than Alex. Since we're doing equal pieces, that means that Alex needs 15 cars in order for it to be the same as Philip. On the next strip diagram, we see that Alex receives 3 more cars, so receives the same thing as plus to be the same as Philip. Now the question here becomes, how do we represent 3 times more cars than Alex? So here on the side, I'm going to show you a quick way that I figured this out. Since I have to multiply Alex times 3, that means 3 of Alex equals 1 of Philip. With that being said, this would be the same thing as Alex equals Philip divided by 3. Because here our equal sign is a balance. So for example, 3 times A equals P is the same thing as A equals P divided by 3. And remember, since Alex received 3 cars, P divided by 3, and we do the same thing, just now work it backwards. 1 of Philip's equals so here we can see that we actually need 3 pieces of the A plus 3, so it could equal 1 of Philip. So A plus 3, A plus 3. And so you can see we have two strip diagrams and they both share one thing, that Philip always holds the same piece. So now what we could do is, if I was to combine them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'd be A plus 3, A plus 3, A plus 3, A plus 15, P, and P. Remember the question was, how many cars did Alex have to begin with? We only have to look at the ones that include Alex. So here we could eliminate this P and this P. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up our equation. So remember this 3 times A plus 3 is the same thing as this piece right here. So then it's gonna be 3A plus 3 is equal, remember, this is the same piece as A plus 15. So now we're gonna, remember every time we distribute, we're gonna distribute this to the first and this to the second. So it's gonna be 3A plus 9 equals A plus 15. So remember, we're trying to get A by itself, so we're gonna subtract 9. And what we do on one side, we have to do on the other. So this is gonna be 3A equals A plus 15 minus 9. It's gonna be 6. We subtract 1A, subtract 1A. That leaves us with 2A equals 6. Divide by 2. A equals 3. So here, Alex began with 3 cars. If you want, we can double check our work. Going back to the question. Philip has 15 more cars, so then we do 3 plus 15 equals 18. 3 receives 3 more cars equals 6. Now fill up 6 times 3, 18. This number matches this number, so therefore our answer here is 3.